Hey there, Excel fans. I'm Carl from Handy Tech Stack. Today, I'm going to show you how to create pivot tables in Excel. Pivot tables are an incredibly powerful tool for data analysis, and you'll be amazed at how easy they are to create. First, let's start with a basic table of data. Imagine we have a table showing sales data with columns for date sold, department, and units sold. To create a pivot table, select any cell within your data range or simply select the table. Then press Ctrl plus N plus V style T to activate the pivot designer. A dialog box will pop up asking where you want to place the pivot table. Choose New Worksheet or Existing Worksheet depending on your preference. For this example, I'll place it next to our existing table. Click OK and your pivot table field list will appear. Now let's build our pivot table. First, drag units sold into the values area. Next, drag the date sold field into the rows area. You'll see the table start to take shape, but we can make it even better. We can remove the parts of the date field from our rows selections, such as month, quarters, etc., but let's keep years. Let's also add the department to the rows. You can already see the pivot table detailing the year with the department's information. However, to get a more detailed breakdown, drag the department field into the columns area. Now, our pivot table displays units sold for each year, broken down by department. It's clear, concise, and incredibly useful for spotting trends and making informed decisions. Often, we may need to compare trends. We can easily replicate the pivot table by copying the existing pivot table and configuring it to our needs. Pivot tables are super versatile and can be customized to fit your specific needs. Whether you're analyzing sales data, tracking inventory, or managing projects, pivot tables can help you make sense of large data sets quickly and efficiently. So give it a try and see how pivot tables can transform your data analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.